All right, so a room is 24 feet long, 15 feet wide, and 9 feet tall. If you paint the walls and the ceiling, how much surface area did you paint? So this one is kind of tricky. They said painting the walls, and in a rectangular prism, there are 4 walls, and you're also going to paint the ceiling, and there's 1 ceiling. What they don't mention is the floor. They are not painting the floor. So we're not painting all 6 faces of this rectangular prism. We are painting 5 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this out. And this is kind of what it would look like. The floor would be 24 feet long and 15 feet wide. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of imagine that like this. It would be 15 feet long and 24 feet wide. And then we would talk about how tall it would be. And it would be 9 feet tall. So the idea is we're going to go for the bottom and we're going to go for the 4 wall or the roof, but we're not going to go for the floor. So looking at the ceiling is going to be the same as the floor, which is 15 by 24. So we're going to have 24. Let's see if it wants to let me type. So we have 24 times, that's going to be 15. 4 times 5 is 60. Carry the 6. Or sorry, I'm going to go back. I was multiplying it by 15 instead of just by 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry the 2. 2 times 5 is 10, plus the 2 is 12. Placeholder 0. That's a 4 and that's a 2. And I have 360 feet squared. That's going to be the ceiling. Then we've got to look at those side walls, and I'll do this in a different color. So one of those side walls is going to be right here, and we know we've got 9 feet. And then we've got this line right here, which is going to be the same as this one right here, which is 24 feet. Sorry, the 2 didn't come out. And 24 times 9 is going to get us, 4 times 9 is 36, carry the 3, 9 times 2 is 18, plus the 3 is 21. And we're actually going to have 2 of those, so I'm going to add a second one at the bottom. And then lastly, we're going to go ahead and go to the other side wall, which is over here. And that one isn't labeled, but we know that this dimension is the same as this one. So that's going to be 9 feet. And then we know that this is going to be the same as this, so that's going to be 15 feet. So we have 15 feet times 9 feet. That's going to get us 5 times 9 is 45. 9 times 1 is 9, plus the 4 is 135. But again, we're going to have 2 of those walls. So we have 360, and we're not doubling that because we just need the ceiling. We're not going to paint the floor. I have 216, 216, 135, and 135. We're going to go ahead and add those up. I have 5, 10, 16, and 22. 2 plus 8, or plus 6 is 8, 9, 10, plus another 6 is 16, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. I have 1,062 feet. Oh, it's not letting me type again. Oh, there we go. Feet squared is what we are going to paint. Again, we're not painting the floor.